What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to get your Roblox user ID on mobile. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So for the first one is visit the Roblox website using a browser, log into your account, click your profile icon and then click the URL and copy your Roblox ID. And to visit your Roblox website using a browser, you will find this website. To get your Roblox user ID, the first thing you need to do is visit the website using a browser from a laptop. You can use either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. You can directly go to www.roblox.com or Google it and then click on the link from the search engine. The second step would be to log into your account using your username or your registered email. Since Roblox user ID is related to your profile, the next step would be clicking on your profile icon on the top right corner. And you can also click on the three lines at the top left corner and click on the profile from there. And the next step is to view your URL, and you'll notice some numbers between /user/ and /profile. This is your Roblox user ID, which you can copy for future use. So yeah, this is how you can just get your Roblox user ID on mobile. Hope this will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.